Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the Moviestarplanet 2 error code 3812? Don't worry. In this video, we are going to talk about this. The error primarily occurs when users try to enter their virtual homes in the game. The error message reads, "Oops, something went wrong." According to us, the error is related to any bug within the game and there is nothing we can do other than wait till the patch comes or try general workarounds. So, what can you do about it? Let's walk through a few potential solutions. Firstly, try the simplest solution. Close Moviestarplanet and restart your device. Once your device is back up and running, check for any new updates for Moviestarplanet. If there's an available update, go ahead and install it. Then, launch the app and see if the error persists. If the error is still there, it's time to clear the cache data for Moviestarplanet. For Android users, hold down the Moviestarplanet app icon, then tap App Info, Storage, and finally, clear cache data. If you're using a browser to play, clear your browser cookies. Still no luck? It might be time to uninstall and reinstall Moviestarplanet. First, uninstall the game, then restart your device. After that, reinstall the app, relaunch Moviestarplanet, and check for the error. To summarize, there are a few potential solutions to the Moviestarplanet 2 error code 3812. First, restart your device and check for updates. Second, clear the cache data for the app or your browser cookies. Lastly, uninstall and reinstall Moviestarplanet. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.